Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full-time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. In case you missed it, in our last video, we left North Carolina and drove 1,300 miles in just 3 days to make it to our first destination, South Dakota. In this video, we'll be sharing a couple cool spots in the lesser-traveled eastern South Dakota before continuing on to the Badlands. Couldn't find parking, so hopefully we're okay there for a little while we check out Falls Park on the Sioux River here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls is actually the largest city in South Dakota at around 181,000 people. The reason I said lesser traveled is because many visitors only come to South Dakota for places like the Badlands, the Black Hills, Mount Rushmore, etc., all of which are in the western part of the state. Falls Park features an old mill alongside some impressive falls that drop an average of 7,400 gallons of water every second. Found some wildlife. Alright guys, I think we found an anaconda. This is it here in South Dakota. Definitely an anaconda. Now to head just under a half hour outside of Sioux Falls to Palisades State Park. On either side of Split Rock Creek stand unique quartzite rock features, some over 50 feet tall, that have been formed over millions of years. It's estimated by geologists that some of these spires have been around for 1.2 billion years now. This is an excellent place to hike, camp, climb, rappel, fish, kayak, canoe, and much more. We got lucky with sunny skies and 90-degree weather, so I enjoyed the water, knowing it could be one of our last good summer water days of 2020.
We got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet.
Alright, say cheese. That's it for this one. Tune in next week as we head to the incredible Badlands National Park. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for weekly videos as we continue exploring in our new home.